Hi, welcome back. I'm Jane. I love to garden. I live in Utah up against the Wasatch Mountains. Okay, I made these bouquets almost a week ago, and we're going to see what still looks good and what doesn't. And then we're also going to take them apart, use what still looks good, and then go through my yard. Sorry, gonna swing around the other direction and find some new blooms to add with it. Let's look at this. All right, let's look at this and see what's going on. So definitely some of the roses are gone and done. The Double Delight, a lot of the Double Delight still look good. White Jello looks good. Look at the Dusty Miller this is not Dusty Miller. Look at the lamb's ear that I was worried about last week. And the spirea, valerian still look good. The peonies are done. Valerian looks good. The alliums, they kind of held their shape. Okay, you gotta see the background here real fast. Isn't that pretty? Okay, well, let's pull it apart. What we're gonna do is we're gonna pull it apart, and then I'm going to cut the stems again. And let's remake a bouquet. I'm gonna have to have two hands. Okay, I added some fresh cold water in my vase. And we're going to go through this and see what still looks good. Lamb's ear looking great. The Double Delight look good. The lamb's ear that flopped so bad last week is what looks like amazing still. Then we've got the spirea that still look great. These alliums are past their bloom, but they still look really good. The peonies. So what do you think about this? What if I just took off the top and left the foliage? That'd be kind of cool. Let's see if I can do this. Okay, let me go through this real fast. And then I've just got peony foliage. The yellow roses didn't make it, but I have quite a few in bud form over there. Peonies. The iris, like, they don't look wonderful. The pink splash white jello look good. Kind of. Some better than others. The valerian held up. Oh, the iris don't last very long in a vase. I mean, that one's okay if I cut off this side shoot, but I don't think it would last very long. So I'm just going to leave the iris out, maybe get fresh iris. Oh, that Double Delight is blown open. So the Miss Kim lilac looks pretty good, actually. The In Your Eyes rose didn't even last a day. The valerian looked good. This Miss Kim lilac didn't make it. That's so funny. I think I'm going to use peony foliage. And the lamb's ear. Look at that. Look at that sturdy thing. I was complaining about this last week. This spirea branch must not have been in the water, because that surprises me that does not look better. So we're starting to get some rain. I might have to do this in a minute. But it is interesting to see what made it after a week. These spirea branches look so much better. And of course the lamb's ear. I kind of wanted to show you what you could do with just the bouquet that you already had. So I don't think I'm going to add anything to this one. So I'm going to cut these stems to make them nice and refreshed. Try to get rid of any of the foliage at the bottom. Now it has new life. Let's put it in here. I'm happy with that.
Oh, it's dripping water.
So I lied. I didn't put any new blooms in it because I kind of wanted to see what I could create with what was left over and still looked good. And I love it. All right, bye. I only have one little Miss Kim lilac, and I think I'm going to put it right down the center. If I can get it in there. Maybe I can't.
I don't think you should push it, because you might want a few of those in your next bouquet.
No, because I can't reuse it. It's already becoming past its. Should I just try to propagate it?
I
like it. All it is one little Miss Kim in the middle. Okay, now I'm for real. Bye.